name is Debamitra, checking in from Mystic Fitness this morning. So today I thought I'll do a video on some quick hip opening exercises. We had been sitting around a lot these days, working from home, sitting on the couch watching Netflix, at least I am. So I thought I'll share some of my favorite hip openers with you all this morning. So I hope you guys find this useful, and let's get started. So let's come in a staff pose with the legs in front of us, neutral spine. Bring the right foot in, followed by left. So the soles of the feet touch in Baddhakonasana. If you have tight hip or knees, feel free to place a block or a cushion or maybe a blanket, whatever you have handy. So place your hands behind you with the fingers pointing away from you. See if you can shift the pelvis closer to the heels. Roll the shoulders away and open up the chest. You can stay here, or you can bring your hands to your feet. Press the outer edges of the feet towards each other so your feet can open up like a book. And if your knees are here, that's perfectly okay. You feel the same sensation. But instead of trying to push the knees down, see if you can push your inner thighs outward and downward. So kind of externally rotating those inner thighs. You can stay here, or you can try to lower your head a little bit closer to your feet with the elbows opening up to the side. Keep a tall spine, so one straight line from the crown of the head to the tip of the tailbone. Two more breaths here. And slowly come out. Legs in front of you. Bend the right knee and bring it to the chest. Give it a squeeze. Then wrap that left elbow around that right knee and make a kickstand with the right hand for the twist. Inhale and lengthen, and exhale and twist. One more. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist. Then bring that left ankle or right ankle on the left thigh and place your hands behind you. And then see if you can come in a figure four with bending that left knee. The closer your calf is to the chest, the deeper the stretch is. So you can really extend out your left leg in front of you more, or you can bring it closer. You can also adjust your hands. Find your sweet spot where you feel the stretch the most. You can stay here, or for a deeper stretch, extend that left leg in front of you and see if you can wrap your elbows around the leg, kind of like cradling the baby. Straighten to that left heel, point the toes. And you can rock side to side to stretch out those glute muscles. And we'll switch sides. So bring that left knee to the chest and make a kickstand with that left hand for that twist on the left side. Inhale and lengthen, and exhale, straight twist. Excuse me. So bring that left ankle on that right thigh and hands behind you. Again, adjust your position so you feel that sweet spot. You can stay here and stretch it out more, or we can do that cradling baby on this side. Point the toes, the right toes. And we'll come out of the pose. And we'll get into a lizard. So come into a lunge, right foot forward. Bring your hands next to each other and shift that right foot to the outer edge of the mat. You can extend that left leg straight into the mat. Push the floor away and elongate that spine. Open up that heart. You can stay here, or if you have a block, you can press your elbows in that block, or you can come down on your elbows. Keep breathing. We'll switch sides. You can rock back and forth a few times here. And then the other side. So left leg forward, left feet to the outer edge of the mat. Hands next to each other. And open up in that lizard. You can also do a half pigeon here if that's something you prefer, or you can add in a half pigeon right after this as well. Stay here, come on your elbows. Then slowly come out of the pose. We'll come in a child's pose. Maybe an extended child's pose. The knees extending out, the toes touching. And take some deep breaths here as we close out our practice.